Hey everybody, what you're looking at can be one of the most intimidating and frustrating parts to building or restoring a vehicle, the wiring. And we've all got that friend or family member that's willing to hack on your wiring and try to figure it out. And trust me, that never ends well. But it doesn't have to be that way, and it won't be that way if you approach it right. And that starts with having the right wiring harness. For 30 years, Painless has been the standard of quality aftermarket wiring built right here in the U.S., deep in the heart of Texas. They not only produce direct replacement harnesses, but also harnesses for customs and street rods and resto mods and anything that's loaded with aftermarket parts and accessories. And that's important in a wiring harness. You want something that's built for car people, by car people, which means when you call the tech line, you're going to talk to a person that understands the product and what you're trying to do. So if you need wiring or a harness for an original restoration or for an engine swap or for an EFI swap or a complete chassis harness, Painless has got it and they guarantee it for life. So quit the hacking. Send your buddy off to get some pizza or something and you do your wiring right.